Hi friends, let me show you this new Pro Pet Grooming Clipper kit that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you get the user manual, scissors for your pets, the actual electric razor or clipper, and an extra head with a small razor. The charging cable, a brush to clean it, some oil for it, and different depth accessories for your pet's hair. Okay, this is a 3, 12, 6, 9, all millimeters, different depths from 3 to 18 millimeters. Okay. Also, this comb for your pet with a wider and narrower part. Okay. So we are going to install it like this. Okay. And you can turn it on here, and it will give you the time available, and you have different speeds. Okay. Let's try it. You can trim your pet's hair like this. Okay. It's easy, doesn't hurt. With the comb, you can get rid of the knots in your pet's hair. Like detangle them. Of course, you get the scissors if you need to cut other kind of hair. Okay, so this is a full clipper kit. All you need, it's here. Okay, thank you.